how are you people doing? I hope you all are good and healthy. So today I have come up with a very interesting episode for those who are interested in UI UX. UI UX experts are very much sought after in mobile app, web and software design. Design is mentally very intensive work as you need to be aesthetic oriented, creative and offer great seamless experience on your application. This being mentally intensive work, knowing some good tools can make you smart at work. Knowing right tools can help you to design things at 10x speed. Mainly UI UX developers look for tools that help them in making wireframes, mockups and prototyping. Some are good for web designing and some are good for mobile app design. As this being mobile era, I share first tools that help in mobile app UI UX design. Some of the best mobile app prototyping tools are Sketch, Marvel, Just in Mind, Proto.io, Pop, UXPIN, Azure. Also, you need to understand that depending on whether you are doing the design for an Android app or iOS app, you might explore these tools. So I suggest you to know more about what are the features offered by each one of these before jumping into working on one of them. So now let me share the web and application designs and prototyping tools. Mockups, Pencil, Marvel, Azure, InVision, Just in Mind, Balsamic. So I hope this session helped all those who are aspiring to be great UI UX designer. Now it is time to explore these by studying the features these tools offer. Even if you are undergoing some UI UX course, you don't need to wait as these let you do experimentations even if you don't have formal training. Time to do some designs! All the very best and do subscribe to our channel to know more on trending technologies, tools and opportunities that help you grow in your career. Thanks for watching.
Do you wish to join this course? To get connected with the best trainers and training companies, visit the link.